Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to this edition of Clearance Corner. Today I've got some beautiful blockout roller blinds to show you. I've got some sunscreen roller blinds, I've got light filter roller blinds, and we've got some more sheer curtains. So get your order in quickly. No samples are available, and this stock has been selling out really fast. Threadbow is a plain Australian-made roller blind fabric, and I've got some beautiful colours. This is Barrier Reef, another beautiful Australian-made fabric. Tuscany's got this beautiful weave, and it's also Australian made. So this fabric is called Q. It's a tonal fabric, and what that means is that it's got a similar colour on the reverse side. So this is a light filter roller blind fabric. It's from the Palm Beach collection, and the colour is called Fennel. Sunscreen roller blind fabric that we have called One Screen. This is a sheer curtain fabric called Lucerne. It's a beautiful plain voile. This sheer fabric here has a linen blend, and it's called Altitude. This sheer curtain fabric has a beautiful crushed linen look. This colour here is called Duck Egg.